start watching videos. Because if you don't, this is over. Alright, you guys. Here's another one of my projects. Obviously at my other house where I have a garage. And so this is my boat project that I did. I've got this whole fabricated hull that I did myself by me. No other person but me has worked on this. Yeah, this is all sheet metal from scratch. And here we're running a Polaris 1200 triple, and as you can see, totally fabricated pump tunnel, and this is all custom fabrication, you know, a lot of intricate welding and stuff. It's gonna have full reverse. It's not particularly long, but yeah, this is gonna be like the ultimate riverboat setup. So yeah, a lot of metal work in this thing, as you can see, but it should be pretty awesome. It's probably gonna weigh less than 300 pounds, which is pretty cool. And I don't know, what do you guys think? Is this gonna be faster than my superjet 1200? Hey, let's ask this guy.
I don't think so.
So you don't believe the boat has the power to beat a superjet 1200?
No way. Nope.
Well, there you heard it. Oh, by the way, guys, this is my truck that I built. This is my 1959 Ford F100. It's got a Mustang 2 front suspension on it that you know, I bought and refabricated and repurposed for this. These are my custom fabricated bomber seats in here. What can I say? Everybody's got to have a hobby or two or three or 100. But okay, here's the thing. All I do is this and nothing else. And my job. I do my job. Yeah.
That's true. Is all you do is.
I don't do a single other thing. Except for go to work. I don't eat, I don't sleep, and that's how I do this. And okay, check.
Go jet skiing. See, it's February.
Yeah,
2nd
February 2nd. Yesterday was Groundhog Day.
That is hardcore.
And I was doing the whole jet ski thing. So, yeah. So this is Rob. Rob used to know Jeff Jacobs back in 1992.
Now you're telling everyone how old I am.
Yeah, well, hey, Jacobs is pretty old too, you know?
Yeah, we're all getting there now.
Yeah, you guys used to hang out with like his like Samoan sumo wrestler bodyguard guy that would hold his ski at the starting line. So, yeah, he knows. Rob knows about a... Rob, talk about 550s and...
That's all we had back then, was 550s.
Talk about your worst fears about 550s.
Going too far out in the ocean.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, was that worse than getting all the way set up at the beach and then finding out
that it won't run?
Yeah.
Or it won't start?
Yeah.
Pretty much the same fear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you know a lot of guys that got stuck out in the middle of the ocean and their ski wouldn't start? Woo, that's funny.
We all went to Yamahas.
Yep. That's what happens. Yep. Even though we had a Kawasaki ride day yesterday and nothing broke, I gotta give a shout out to the Yamahas, which
always run.
Always run. I'm trying to think of one that I have that doesn't always run.
Well, it's not a Yamaha.
Oh, shoot. Even my cobbled together 701 and 650 engine runs every time. So, we have a couple of blown up Yamaha 1200s that don't run Yeah, we're getting off topic here. But check it out. More footage of the boat. I didn't show you. So yeah, how I did this was I made cardboard templates and then I had them lasered out, and I used my brake press here and did all the sheet metal fabrication. And there's a lot of welding. I still have a lot to do, but the basic stuff is finished, and yeah. So that's about all I think I gotta say about it, really. Check it out. We're gonna have the stock Polaris tack in there. Hopefully everything actually works. The Polaris ski was like $200, so it was a pretty good deal, and good ski to saw up and take to the dump. So anybody that wants to do this, I would say do it. It's cool, and don't sawzall up anything too good, but yeah, I say keep everything and do it. I think we hit the nail right on the head. So thank you all for watching. Leave a comment below about what you think about my project, my other project that you are just finding out about now that I did it all. Leave a comment about that, and while you're at it, why don't you go and click on the channel tab and start watching the whole backlog of videos, because you know what? We've got some old gold back there that nobody ever watches. And you know what? If you don't start watching those videos, the projects are all gonna stop. They're gonna stop, okay? And you won't have anybody to show you what a 1200 superjet's like, what a 1200 aluminum riverboat is like. You won't get to see any of my 800 swapped 550s. You won't be able to see, I can't remember what else I'm building right now. But you know what? Yeah, open up the backlog and start watching videos. Because if you don't, this is over. Wait, so you're saying that people will think I'm a rich kid?
Yeah, with
all the stuff that I have, yeah.
All the people that work for
Do you think that like they're gonna believe that like I did this and not you?
No, you're the JetSki.
So you think that they'll actually believe that I made this thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why not?
Well, I don't know. I mean, I guess people probably, I don't know. I think they have a hard time thinking that people that are super young can like have like all this stuff and do it all and actually build it and then have videos that actually get onto the internet. And
It's all in who you know.
it's all in who you know?
All in who you know.
Yeah. Well, I guess I know a few people.
Crate's right here. You want it over there?
Yeah. I can't believe you wanted me to say that this was mine.
It is. You built it.
Yeah, yeah, I did build it. I did build this. Oh yeah, this is gonna be sweet. Whoa. I'm just kind of scared of it tipping off the stand.
No, it won't fall off. You can sit over here.
What?
You can sit over
Oh
here.
yeah, no, I thought you were gonna
No,
get it. I thought we were gonna be co-pilots in here and be like,
I
yeah.
just want to see how you fit in it.
Oh yeah.
And then
I can just imagine myself driving.
that's pretty cool.
You know, the problem with this thing, it needs cup holders.
They're coming. They're coming. I call them beer holders.
Oh man. Oh, this is great. This is
The seats are all loose. They're just all finger tight.
comfortable. Oh yeah.
So if there's a roll cage here, how tall are you?
Like 6'2" maybe.
Just put it right down on that edge down there, right there.
Oh yeah. I like it.
That'll work.
So what are those, the sprint boats? Those got like 500 horsepower LS's in them, right?
Yeah.
I wonder how fast this would be compared to one of those. Nothing for it. Nothing for it.
Nothing.
I mean, those things are so brutal, fast acceleration. Those are like a car with that much horsepower acceleration. But yeah, this is.
You're 6'2"?
Yeah.
Where are your feet at down there? How far forward?
You know, the weird thing is, in the bow of this thing, it definitely dumps your feet to like.
Yeah, I was thinking about building something
putting a flat thing under your.
Across there, you think?
Yeah, because it's just like weird having your feet slant down the.
Yeah, I think so too.
I wonder how sharp the handling on this thing is going to be.
We're gonna find out.
That'd be pretty good. Yeah.
It's all just for
Can you
fun.
just do the hood of my car now?
Yeah.
Just make me a hood. Ooh,
Make a hood
Actually, you could make me a really sweet hood for my car.
with bends like this, yeah, from 90 to 0.
Yeah. Because I've never liked the hoods for the Mustangs of my era. Well, I guess they're not that bad, but I feel like
Don't
you
have
could
a
do something.
Carbon fiber one?
No. I'm not carbon fiber hood on my Mustang. Not yet.
You did. I thought you did.
It's out of the box. It's like the same material jet skis are made out of. All right, let me see if I can fly out. Fly, Jacob, fly. Whoa. Yeah, this is really cool. Okay, good. Thank y'all for watching. See you next time.